Ever wonder what 40,000 custom boxes look like? Or why your box has looked a little different these last few months?
Day 3,628 of helping people feed real food. You've probably seen our transition lately. New proteins, slight delays, back and forth between shipping boxes. This 40,000 box delivery, it's part of it. Over the last week, we were down to the last few pallets, literally reusing old boxes just to get orders out. These new boxes, there are new tapeless boxes we've been working on over the last year. No tape, no plastic, just a tear notch, recycled cardboard, and those pop holes, that's for the sniff test so your dog knows what's inside before you even open it. We designed them this way because real food and sustainability go hand in hand. But custom means complicated. Local sourcing was too expensive, overseas took months, and yeah, with the unexpected tariffs, they costed more and took longer than we expected. We didn't just redesign the box, we engineered the entire system behind it with a custom machine that seals every box without needing tape. This saves our team from repetitive manual tasks, reduces our carbon footprint, and gives your dog something to sniff about. So next time you get your real dog box, know there's a reason behind every fold, every cutout, and every choice we make.